Welcome. We stock S45 Trafimet Consumables for your Chicago electric and other related plasma cutters. We sell the nozzles, some refer to them as tips or cups, and electrodes, as sets. We sell them by sets. Each set contains one nozzle and one electrode. We offer 10-piece, 5 sets, 20-piece, 10 sets, 30-piece, 15 sets, 50-piece, 25 sets, and 100-piece, 50 sets. On most of our sets you can select with, or without the standoff. We use these on our own personal Chicago electric plasma cutter. Our prices are far better than Harbor Freight. Believe that. The electrodes are of chrome-plated copper construction, compatible with 230-volt inverted plasma cutters. The nozzles, or tips, are designed for use with the Chicago electric welding machine, 230-volt, 40-amp, and other related plasma cutters. They have an 8mm tip opening, and have a polished copper finish. Please check the description for our eBay store link. If we receive payment by 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday, your order will be shipped that same day, providing it is not a postal holiday. We ship them out by the U.S. Post Office, either first class, or flat rate priority mail depending upon the weight. All orders are shipped with tracking. 100-piece, 50 sets, will be shipped also with a signature. We also stock other aftermarket plasma consumables for Miller, etc. Please don't forget to check out our other welding supplies, including 100 and 300 series torches, welding tips, acetylene and propane cutting tips, soapstone, regulators, flashback arresters, check valves, strikers, and soapstone. We have many kits advertised, and if you need something special regarding a kit that we have available in our store, we can put a custom order in for better pricing to help you. Thank you, and we look forward to having you for our customer.